Hey everyone, and welcome to Scuba Travel and Adventure. My name is Thomas. Tujak Lake is a perfect location for all type of diver certifications, especially new certified divers, as it is very shallow and it has easy access to water. There is a lot of room on shore to gear up, including picnic tables. The lake average depth is about 6 meters and maximum depth is around 15 meters. The visibility ranges from 5 to 10 meters. The lake is covered with thick layer of silt, similar to Lake Minnewanka. Tujak Lake has a lot to offer and is very family-friendly lake in Banff National Park. There is a campground, lots of outside space for picnics and shallow runoffs from the lake edge into the water, which is perfect for paddling or going down for a swim. The lake also has a lot of water sports activities taking place, so be prepared to see plenty of kayaks and paddleboards. If you're feeling slightly more active, then you can also put your hiking shoes and hike around the lake. If you are simply visiting to have a look at the lake and observe the beauty of Banff National Park, you can sit in any of numerous benches located around the lake and get some great views across the water. Getting to Tujak Lake from Calgary on Highway 1, turn right after taking the first Banff Range Road 115B Lake Minnewanka exit. Turn right at the Lake Minnewanka Scenic Loop intersection. Follow this road until you will find a sign posted for Tujak Lake. Turn there and follow the road for 6 kilometers past Tujak campsite and turn right at the lake sign. The parking and washrooms are located on the left. On the right is the day use area, straight ahead is the beach. Thank you for watching. You can comment and ask questions below, and if you like the channel, please subscribe. See you next time.